this video, we will explain the difference between destroying and disabling components, along with showing how to perform both during runtime. The destroy function should be used if and only if we never need to access that game object's component again. We should disable a component if we'd still like to remove the component for the time being, but we'd like to access it later for future use. Here I have a simple scene set up with a cube and 2 buttons. On the cube is a C# script that I named remove component. Each button's action is mapped to a different function I've created in this cube's script. In the script, I first declare a mesh renderer component, setting it equal to the mesh renderer component on the cube's game object. In my destroy function, I use the function destroy to remove the component, and in my disable function, I change the state of the component to false. Now when I run my game and click the disable button, you can see the mesh renderer component change from its active state enabled to disabled in the inspector panel. However, when I click the destroy button, the mesh renderer component is completely deleted from the game object. So when I try to access that game object's component, I get an error because the component no longer exists.